Well, another solid day of trade coming in for the indices. Nifty ending above 11,150. Sensex up 500 points. A good strong session that we saw today. Auto, bank, energy, metals, infrastructure, across the board, we did see buying coming in. Among the major gainers, of course, we saw the OMCs that were definitely sparkling in trade today. In fact, speaking with HPCL's Mr. Surana as well on the channel, talking about a positive outlook going ahead. ICICI and Maruti were also looking good. In fact, we've seen them starting to pick up over the last couple of sessions. So those were a couple of the other names to watch out for. Piramal Enterprises was up 10%, very active in today's session. Power Grid was looking good. Cement stocks, ACC post numbers up close to 4%. Ambuja Cements also on a roll. HDFC was up 4.5% in today's session as well. So a whole host of names there on the upside. SBI Cards was up about 3.5% in today's session. And from the financials, an Access, a Kotak Mahindra, SBI Life post earnings up about 4% or so in today's session. Those were a couple of the active counters. On the downside, we did see the Bajaj twins sit out. We saw numbers out there as well. Just a marginal slip, otherwise more or less in line, but definitely seeing a little bit of cooling off coming in on some of those counters. And a Vodafone also down about 7 to 8% in today's session. Overall, we did see a strong day of trade, and I think it's important to note that the markets have continued to see momentum building up. Earnings have also been more or less in line. Britannia also delivering a stellar set of numbers and continuing to react, and spoke with the management there today as well, and things seem to be well on track. This week continues to be a focus on earnings. We'll continue to watch out for some of those nifty heavyweights that will be delivering, and how markets will react to some of those. And other earnings today, Hindustan Zinc, HDFC Life Insurance, these were a couple of the others that were in focus on the back of numbers this afternoon. But keep an eye on some more of those nifty heavyweights as that action continues even post markets close, and we'll be tracking that as we reopen tomorrow.